Hey, welcome back to another video of today, guys. So I said I'm going to make a breakdown. I'm going to make an application of the previous league I played in my previous video 2 days ago. So if you didn't watch the video, you can hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you the link, or you can click on the link this or check out this video in my channel. You're going to see it. Okay, so for many of you that watch the leagues, for many of you that practice the leagues, let's see how we can apply those leagues in this particular song now. Okay, to sound better and sounds cool. Remember, we are still on the worship guitar series. I want to make sure many of you get a good understanding, a good knowledge, okay, and a good perspective on how you can approach the worship section, okay, as a guitarist. You don't need to make noise, you don't need to play too much, you don't need to overplay, you don't need to be dull, you don't need to sound dull, you don't need to sound distorting, okay, but you just have to come up with something very nice and harmonic, okay, at the end of the day. Okay, so that's it. So for this video, I'm going to show you how we can apply those licks in this video with this song. Okay, all right. So before then, if you know that this is the first time you're coming across my video, do make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that videos like this. Okay, and if you like the video, hit on the comment and the like button. If you have any challenges, hit on the comment section. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. If there's any video you want me to do, go ahead and drop it in the comment section. I'm going to respond to you. I'm going to respond to it as soon as possible, okay? Like I always say, if you want to join my online class, do wait to chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you as well, okay? All right, guys, let's move straight into the video right away. All right, welcome back, guys. So we were doing the lesson, the key of B. It is the key of B. Okay, so the first lick we said it was something like this. That was the first lick. So the second lick was that's the second lick. The third lick was so that was a third lick. The fourth lick was like this. That was the fourth lick. The fifth lick was like. That was the licks we played for many of you that didn't watch it, okay? So now let's play a song and see how we can apply those licks to sound better and sounds cool. All right, let's go. Do the reason do so bad so do so bad. Now you can play your source 4 if you don't want to go to this bar, okay? Do the reason so bad. You can play your source 4. Okay, that's it. Now this is it where you start putting the Lord. Okay. You are the right, your love. You get it now. Now you see the lick now. Now this is where you come to this other side. This is where you play this other lick. Okay, you get the jig now. Then you go back to your mute. So if you have like overdrive, you can still go where? If you have overdrive patches. You can stay on that, just be staying on that, okay? All right, so that is it. That is it. A whole lot to play, a whole lot to play. So make sure you watch to the end. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. Wherever you don't understand, do what you hear in the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. Okay? All right, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.